What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a quick little video on how to swap out your Icon Toolbox lock cylinders. If you're like me, you ordered a couple Icon pieces, and when they came, you had different lock cylinders all keyed differently. So therefore you have multiple keys, which is completely stupid. I feel like if you placed an order, then they should all be keyed the same, but whatever. Anyway, so if you jump on the Harbor Freight website, you can get, I believe it's the 6 keys with lock cylinders, or you can get 15. So I've got the 6 because I don't have that many pieces, so I'm just going to do a quick little video on how to take those out. Pretty simple, like very simple. So basically, you have 6 keys, 6 cylinders. You'll notice on the cylinders that come in the package, there's numbers on them. Get this off here. So you have a number right there. So basically, on your toolbox piece, same thing. You're going to have a number on it, and it's going to be on the left-hand side. So when you go and put the new one in, you're going to want it to go on that side too, because if you put it in that way, it won't fit. So really, there's only one way to put this bad boy in. So get this, leave that out. Okay, so basically you take your red key, because that's going to take your old cylinder out. So you just push it in until it clicks, and then you just pull it out. I mean, it's very simple. So you then take that out of the old cylinder. That's my old one. Okay, this is the new one. I'll see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, so you put it on there. I've got my numbers on the left. So you just slide it in the hole. Now, basically all you got to do to release that is just hold the cylinder like that, and then pull the key out, and it's in there. So now let's try the new key. That's the new key. Done. Unlock. So that's another thing. The lock cylinder has to be in the unlock position in order to take that lock cylinder out. So try another one here. So this is for my locker. So basically, and sometimes if you push the key in and it doesn't come out, just keep going in and out until it locks. But it's pretty easy. So I mean, it comes right out. So all right, so we'll put that here with the other one. Grab another one of these. Put the red key in it. Make sure the numbers are on the left, which they are. Okay, done. And then see, so if you go like that, it's not going to come out. But if you just kind of hold it, well, I guess with your other finger there, and I'm just kind of pulling with these 2 fingers. Done. Easy peasy. So that's actually really nice that they made them this easy. They kind of makes me wonder if they had this kind of planned out ahead of time, or why it's so easy. But anyway, there you go. I've got a couple more to do, but there you go.